Good afternoon, everyone. Today's project, we got to finish up the maintenance on this or get it all ready for spring. I have a plow that goes on the front of the zero turn. It's set up for plowing snow right now, but I have to take these springs off and move this bolt up in here to make it into dozing blade, I guess. And I also have the torches out because, yeah, I messed that up last year. So we're going to do that and put some cable clamps on there and get that all fixed. So yeah, there'll be some torching going on. But first, let's get the fuel filter changed and go from there. We've got to get the rest of it. So yeah, this fuel filter is not too bad, but boy, that hose is barely even on there. So let's get this all taken care of here. Shouldn't be too awful bad, but do the best I can to hold all this. Yeah, it's going to get a little bit gassy here. Gassy? Yeah, something like that. Of course I dropped everything. Gravity, you know. Pretty good today. Yeah, that's on there. It's on there good. Looks like I gotta get a better system going on this. Now I know I was only on a little ways. Person that had it before me couldn't get that on any farther. Here comes the gas. I guess it was okay. Didn't look like it was, yeah, it's a different filter than what I normally use, but that's, you know, that's the way it works. Oh boy, yeah, that's been on there a while. Been on there a long while. Yeah, gas everywhere. Oh well, that's life. That's filters I'm used to. Nice and easy. And done. Yeah, she's pretty orange. Don't look like it was plugged at all, but just orange. Let the rest of it evaporate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go past the kink here, just because I've had this on here a while. And this is propane, so it's going to take a bit for the tip to warm up. This should shut off a couple times. Yep. And the tip is dirty. Pair of pliers would be nice. Okay, that was the easy part. Now I got to get this burned off of here and try and save this. If I can't save it, I'm gonna have to go get another one. But Okay, let's see what I can do with this. That's all that took. So we're just gonna start these and then work on it from there. Sorry if you can't see through my hands very well, but and I was always taught you never put the saddle over the tail. This would be the tail. This would be the saddle. Yep. Gravity. We're going to tighten this up a bit, make it a little easier. Yeah, I feel a burr in there, but that's okay. So I won't be touching this much without gloves because it's going to be cold out when we start plowing these piles of leaves back up. That's what I use this mostly for, is pushing up leaves. So actually that's all I use it for. Yeah, I got this glove all ripped up. Okay, that's pretty much one. I have to get better gloves on. Not much better, but they're better. So what I'm going to do, get this other one on, and then tighten the other one up. I'm going to leave a bit of a space there to draw this tail down a little bit. Yeah, I can't get a socket in between these. This is a 5/16 cable, and that these cable clamps are set for 5/16 cable. And yeah, you can't get a socket in there. And that's done. Okay, now we'll hook up this plow. Sorry about the loud noises, I should have said something. Gravity again. Yeah, I can't pick that up with the gloves. Now it's hooked up. Battery's getting low. Yeah, there's a thatcher or dethatcher that goes on the front of this too. So it goes in the same spot. It's a little wobbly, but it works. Okay, this is kind of cobbled together. But it worked. And then I'll never have to put these springs on again. Whatever. from flopping all over the place. That is a grade 8 bolt, so I think I've got some nylock nuts for that. Yeah, I'm thinking right about there. So this is all done. I got the Tiger Cub is completed. It's ready to go to work. We have a couple of yards I have to push the piles of leaves up that we pushed or dumped our on site last year, which I do that every year. I push that stuff up, so I have room for this next fall. So everything's set on here. The fuel filter's changed. The oil was changed last fall. The cable's been repaired, and the plow's set up for its a full dozing blade. And yeah, a lot of gravel will be pushed out of certain areas because of gravel driveways. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for when the next video is released. Everybody have a good evening, and we'll see you on the next one.